Well, here's day 26. They delivered my windows. It's my job to install those, but I might try and hire a different crew to do it because I don't want to do it. That's like the one part of the house I can't do by myself. But I'm gonna start this lower roof. I have 2 beams that go in there. I already have the pockets cut for them. So I'll have to get the beams in, and then there's a lower roof that goes all the way across this front here. It's cold, snowy, and windy today again. But I'll try and do this lower roof today, and then I've got a crane coming tomorrow to lift the main trusses. I don't know if I'll finish this whole roof today though, but I'll get what I can done. So here's all my trusses. It's gonna be these 3 trusses and the gable that are gonna go out from that front door, sit this way. So the 3 trusses will sit this way, then this one will go in front. These are both gonna sit on 2x8 beams that need to stick out there. That's why I put that post in there and the other post in there. Up there. They're for the 2-ply 2x8 beams. So I'll get those 2-ply beams in there, posted down to that concrete step that they put there. And then I could put these trusses up, and then these little ones, they're gonna sit on top of that lower wall. That's why that front wall was lower, because these trusses sit on top of that. And then that roof sticks out from there. And then it's the gable on the side, but that doesn't actually connect into this roof, so I can do that one after. But I'll start with these ones, I'll put the beam in, and then I'll build my scaffold across the front so I can do that part. Here's my 2 beams. They're gonna sit in those 2 beam pockets. I left them back 1.5 inches on one. That's because I'm gonna put this piece across the front, and it'll sit in there like that on both of those. So I'll put some temporary posts out there to rest this end on, and then I'll cut the plywood out there so I can put it in the pockets, and I'll get those up. So I have my 2 posts cut now. I'll put them about here. I'll nail a 2x4 to that wall to hold it. And this will hold this one here, and then I'll put the other one there, and then I can put the 2 beams up into those pockets. So these posts will stay here for now. Now I'll put the beam up there and put the front beam on. So I have this stick here holding it square, and I have it laid out. So I'll bring the gable and 3 trusses up here, and then I'll build my scaffold for the front part. Now these ones don't have any tails on them because they need to be this green stuff. So I got these cut. I'm just gonna nail them on here. I'll just keep it flush up at the point here. And then I'll put those on. Only the first 2 are gonna need them though. You'll see why later. So I have the 2 tails nailed on that one. I have these ones I'm gonna nail on top of the gable, because the gable was dropped 3.5, but I'm just gonna put this on. I notched it, and then I ran my lookout like that, so that'll sit into that notch. And then on that side I got the same thing, but green. It's fire coated because it's close to that other house. And I have most of my fascia cut for this front too. Got the 2 front pieces, the side piece, this other side. so I can get all that up. These up here, I'll just nail them all down good to the beam. I'll line it all up with that side because that's the side that lines up with the edge of the house. So I'll nail those down, get the last ridge block in here, and I can get the other two tails on and put the lookouts on and then put the front fascia on. And then I'll work my way around, start going this way. It's so cold I can't even keep the fuel in this from freezing. That old expired fuel. I'm gonna have to get some more of this stuff. Okay, that's all nailed. Now before I come up, I'll throw everything I have cut up here so I don't have to come back down until I'm done. Get my lookouts, the two rafter pieces, the fascia, and that should be it. After that, it's almost ready to sheet. My camera died there, but that's that all framed up. Now I'll build my scaffold across this front here. So I have a line here that's going to be the top of my board. I'm just going to nail a 2x6 to that post and then to the wall. There's that one. Now I'll put another one on this line and stick it out that way. Like that, and then I'll just put one post in and nail it to there. Then I'll put another one of those on this window, and then I'll run some sticks across and then lay a sheet down. Just like that. Now I'll put some sticks across and some sheets on it. Actually, I don't need any plywood, this is strong enough. So now I'll build a roof across here. These trusses are gonna sit on here. That's why this wall is built lower than this front wall. So these are my two ledgers. I got them both laid out the same. This is gonna be the top one, so it needs to hang over 11 inches past the bottom one. That's for the top overhang on that side. You'll see. Had to put a sheet of dense glass on this one for the end one, for the gable. So I'll throw this up there, and then I can nail that all up together. that's all framed now. I can start putting sheets on it, but I'm gonna save that for the morning. For now, it's time for a beer.